What you're looking at is the same idea, just 10 minutes apart. This napkin sketch became a professional app design that impressed actual investors. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how I did this and why it might change how you think about bringing complex ideas to life. 2 weeks ago, I volunteered to organize a farewell dinner for my colleague Jessica, who was moving to London. Seems simple enough. Book a restaurant for 14 people. I had no idea what I was getting myself into. Within an hour, our group chat exploded. Sarah's vegetarian. Mike has a severe nut allergy. 3 people are on keto. Half the group works downtown, the other half lives in the suburbs. Some want fine dining, others are on a student budget. And everyone has opinions about restaurant quality and reviews. I spent 6 hours researching restaurants, but every suggestion I made failed for someone. Wrong location, too expensive, doesn't accommodate allergies, bad reviews from people with similar tastes. After Jessica's third text asking, "Have you found a place yet?" I realized something. This isn't just a restaurant problem, it's a coordination intelligence problem. What if there was an app that understood everyone's preferences, dietary needs, and constraints, then used AI to find solutions that actually work for the entire group? I grabbed a napkin and started sketching out this idea. Not just another restaurant app, but an AI that learns your group's collective dining personality. I love this idea, but I'm not a designer. I started researching what it would take to create even a basic mockup to show the group. Jessica was leaving in 10 days, and I needed something to show our group before she left. Then I remembered seeing this AI tool called Dessino that claimed it could turn wireframes into professional designs. I thought, there's no way this actually works for something this complex, but I have nothing to lose. What caught my attention was that it specifically mentioned handling complex app ideas. I had my napkin sketch. Could AI really understand the coordination intelligence concept I was trying to design? First, I needed to set up the project details. This is where I could really explain the coordination intelligence concept to the AI. I described the app as a coordination intelligence platform for group dining that uses AI to understand collective preferences and find restaurants that work for everyone. For the user profile, I explained these are people who frequently organize group meals and struggle with complex dietary restrictions, budget constraints, and location preferences. I chose mobile as device and set up the color and fonts I preferred. Now, with that context established, I took a photo of my napkin sketch and uploaded it. The AI first analyzed the wireframe to understand the layout and components. The AI generated this detailed description of my wireframe automatically. But here's the smart part. It then asked targeted clarification questions, combining my project context with the wireframe layout to identify areas that needed more detail. These aren't random questions. They're specifically designed to help create a better final design. After answering the clarification questions, the AI had everything it needed: my project context, the wireframe layout, and the specific details from my responses. Time for the final generation. Look at this transformation from napkin sketch to professional app design that actually captures the coordination intelligence concept. Professional dynamics branding with Jessica's farewell crew subtitle, exactly what we sketched. All 14 member avatars. The 73% group compatibility score with beautiful visualization and best matches for the entire group. The AI understood our group complexity. Mario's Bistro with 94% group match, professional restaurant cards with ratings, distance, and AI reasoning. After asking AI for minor revisions and adding some profile pictures, the result was a polished design that I could not wait to share with others. I shared the design link with our group chat. The response was immediate and incredible. Within 24 hours, 5 people from our group volunteered to help build the actual app. A friend who works at a food delivery company asked for a pitch meeting. And yes, we successfully planned Jessica's farewell dinner, using the design as an inspiration. Best group dining experience we've ever had. Here's what I learned. The best ideas often involve complex coordination or intelligence that's hard to explain in words. AI design tools like Dessino don't just make things look pretty. They help communicate sophisticated concepts that people can immediately understand and get excited about. Whether you're trying to solve coordination problems, design intelligence systems, or just communicate a complex idea visually, you can test it for free with 10 generations. Links in the description. And if you try it with your own coordination challenge ideas, I'd love to see the results. Tag me in the comments with your before and after designs.